In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to get the best working Discord mods. I've spent so long mastering, working, testing, beta testing, making scripts, and trying really hard on this, but I finally got you guys the best of all best working Discord mods of all time. These are the best Discord mods you could possibly ever get, other than Kitty, I think it's what it's called. So yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe. This is the best Discord mod you can get. It is PC only. I'm trying to work on a mobile version. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy this video. So you guys are going to make sure you have Google Chrome, so just like this, or whatever browser you use. And whenever you guys open it, you're going to head to my YouTube channel right here. You can pause the video for a second if you guys need to get to that really quick, but make sure you guys are in your browser 100%. If you're in my YouTube channel, you're going to click More, and you're going to scroll down until you see my Discord server, Nico. You're going to open this on your browser, not going to open it with the Discord app, on your browser like that. So make sure you guys join my server. You guys are in my Discord server like this. You guys are going to see, make sure you're in your browser. So you do not want to be on the Discord app. Make sure you guys are in your browser working. Now, basically, you're going to go to my Nico, like my Discord server right here. You guys are going to see it. You guys are going to scroll down to the channel that says, it's kind of hard to find because you have to scroll down a while, Disx Executor. So Disx Executor with a setting symbol. So you're going to click Disx Executor, and you guys are going to see like all the versions, right? So you're going to download the latest version. So the latest version at the current time of uploading this video is version 1.4. The steps are always going to be the same. So version 1.4 right here, this is like the new updates and stuff. And basically you're going to download this zip file right here. So download the zip file that's always linked below the new version. And then you guys are going to go into your file explorer, just like this, and you're going to go to downloads, and you guys are going to find the Disx Executor zip. So like the Disx right here, you guys are going to see this zip file. You guys are going to unpackage this zip file. So extract all, just like this, and extract. And then you guys should have these two text files. You should see README and Run Script. You're going to right click, and you're going to click open with, and then whatever notepad you use. So I'm just going to use notepad right now because like I guess it works the best for copying scripts. So then you're going to open notepad, and you're going to see everything here. So the whole entire text file. And basically what you're going to want to do is hold down Control and press A on your keyboard, and then you're going to hold down Control and press C on your keyboard. So that highlights it all and copies it. So now you're going to exit out of those. Once you have that script copied from your notepad or whatever you use, basically you're going to make sure you head back to Discord in your browser, just like this. So you guys are in Discord in your browser. If you're on PC, press F12 on your keyboard. It doesn't work on all laptops, but if you're not, then hold down Control, hold down Shift, and then press I. And then this console menu should show up right here on the side of your browser screen, where it says like all this hold up stuff. If you don't see console and you're on Elements instead, just go up here and click console. And now you're going to paste it into your console. So hold down Control and press V on your keyboard, and it should load all of this stuff here. And basically, if it says can't paste, then just do what the warning says. So like just type allow pasting and then enter, and then you guys will be able to hold down Control and press V and paste your script into here. And then you guys are going to press enter, and then it should load, like your Discord should start loading like this. And now you have this the official Disx Executor up here. I'm going to be showcasing every single feature of the Disx Executor, everything it does, and everything about it. I made this Disx Executor, worked very hard on it, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. So basically, I'm going to tell you everything about the Disx Executor, everything you need to know, and how to use it properly. So the first thing you guys will see is this button with a cloud symbol, Open Cloud Web Page. You're going to click that, and it will take you to where you can find mods for the Disx Executor. So there's actually people that make mods, including me. So it will take you to a cloud web page, so right here. And you are on public Discord mods inside of my Discord server, and you guys should see like all of these mods that people make. So basically, I'll show you guys how to get your own mod. So I'm going to just use the edit text mod by Rylan. You're going to find where the script is. So in this case, the script is a message. Right click and then copy text. If it's not a message and you see one like, if you see one like this, a message.txt, you're just gonna view whole file and hold down Control, press A, and then press Control C. So once you have your script copied from public Discord mods, you're gonna go back to the tab and you should see your executor again. I'm gonna show you guys what the next button does. This is the most important button, and this is how you work your mods. Script executor right here. Upon clicking it, will put this pop up. Basically, what you do is hold down Control and press V, and now I have the text editor. So basically, whenever I execute this, now Rylan made this really cool mod where you can edit anybody's messages. Really cool, Rylan. Really good job on the script. Showcase it in my video for you. Thank you. You did a really good job on this mod menu. I'm gonna have to refresh my page now because I'm gonna keep editing the text. But you guys can pick any mod you want to, and I'll see you guys when I do that. Alright guys, I've refreshed my page, so I don't have that anymore. I'm going to teach you what else you guys can do. So let's just say I make a script in here or paste one. So just pretend this is a script. I just typed some random stuff, right? So on your tabs, you can right click, and there's a rename and delete tab. Delete tab obviously does what it says. In rename, you could just simply rename your tab. 3 characters max. So like I'm just going to name it test. So I'll just put TST for test. And it renames it, and then you can delete tabs. So right click on it and delete tab, and then it just deletes your tab. And then something really cool is save. Save feature I worked pretty hard on, and basically what you do is you type whatever script you want to, and then you're going to go rename it, whatever you want to name it. So let's say I'm going to name it just test again, so TST. And you're going to enter, and now this is the save. So you're going to save it, and it saves as test right here. And then what you do is open a new tab, and you guys see this is what the new thing does. Then the next button does. The next button is called the Saved Scripts button. Right here is right under the Executor button, and it shows you all your saved scripts that you saved. And all you got to do is click the blue button with the name of the script, and then when you go back to here, you can just paste your script simply in there, and then look, it automatically copies to your clipboard, and you can now save scripts and run them anytime. And if you close Disx and reopen it, your saved scripts will still be there. You can also delete your saved scripts just like that. Next thing I'm going to show you guys, I don't know why, but the FPS visual right now is kind of broken. Actually, it works. It shows you your FPS, but it's a little bit broken. Pretty cool. It shows you your FPS, and it shows the latest log. So the latest console output, it will show you right here in your settings. And you guys can see your FPS right up here if you guys missed it. And then the next thing I'm going to show you guys is the question mark symbol. You guys might be asking, why is there a question mark symbol? When you click it, it's not that important, but this is the Disx terms of service. You guys can read this when you guys run the script. We just have a terms of service in case anybody has any questions and just to protect us. So that is the terms of service for Disx. And then the server button just simply takes you to my Discord server. So next button takes you just simply to my Discord server, just like this. Yeah, it just takes you to my Discord server. Not that much. And then the last button you guys see right here, this is called the developer script. Basically, whenever you click it, you guys will have this button on the latest versions. You click this, and a Disx will close, and you guys will see this load. Discord Studio Modder. Build custom UI overlays and logic mods. So you can load a previous script or create new. But for this video, I'm going to create new and show you guys how to use this editor. This is a really cool editor that I spent a long time on. You can basically make your own Discord mods that you can run with Disx Executor with no experience, practically no experience. So basically, I'm going to just create a simple menu where you can, like, let's just say edit text, for instance. So basically, let's create a menu. So create UI background, just like this. It's a little bit broken, guys, but it's a whole entire mod maker that you can run in Discord. That's why it's a little bit broken. So we're just going to make like a little background. So create UI background. What you guys are going to want to do is go down to the background and make sure you set as folder. So once you guys have it set as folder, make sure you guys do that. If you guys want to be able to, like, have it just put together, it looks nicer in the editor. And then create a UI button. So I'm gonna just make this button on. So on, just like that. And I just put the button on my background list right here, how it was. And then the on button, I'll show you guys how to code your buttons. So now the on button, you're just gonna drag into the background, which I told you just set as a folder earlier, guys. So now the on button is inside of your background. Now it'll drag with you whenever you drag it around the editor. Now you can create a new button, and let's just put off, and let's just give it like a Discord red color. So I'll just make it like red or something. Yeah, so that looks good for a Discord red color. And then you're just going to put it under there, just like under the on. And then you're just going to put it simply inside of your background folder. And just like that, now I have an on and an off. I'm going to show you guys how to code the buttons now. So I just created a simple UI. You guys don't even have to create UI. You guys can, I'll show you guys how to not create UI and just create straight up mods. So let me just resize this to make it look a little bit better. And I'm going to move it also so it's like in the corner kind of. I think I just did something to my Discord server, guys. It's okay. Right, and you just have on and off right here. Now, place to buttons is how you code the buttons. So place to buttons right here. You're going to see over here the target button. You're going to select the button that you want. It'll show you what the button says. So on. So basically this is how I edit my text. So I'm going to go over here to the block palette. You guys can minimize the Explorer right here. So you guys can minimize that right there. So now it's minimized. You can scroll down until you find the exact block you want. So these are all the blocks. These are all the mods. You guys can read them. Basically, it literally is a bunch of mods. I'll show you guys how to make custom mods and stuff, custom blocks and stuff. Basically, it's pre-made mod blocks, so you guys can do this, like make your own mods. And there's a search bar, which obviously does what it is, a search bar. So now you're going to enable live text edit for my on. So the enable live text edit mod for my on. So I'm going to make sure that's under the on, so that's good. Then I'm going to go to off. And when button clicked, you're going to see disable live text edit. So I have those two coded just like that. So now I have that really cool. And basically, I'm going to show you guys how the new block works. So create custom block right here. So you're going to enter in your HTML JavaScript. So basically what you do is like I was showing you guys earlier how you can make like how you can find the mods here. So like let's say I just wanted to run Minecraft in your Discord, you just copy the script. I'm not going to do it right now. You just copy the script and you're going to put it in this big text box and put the script in there, and you're just going to name the custom block. So I'll just name it MC because like for Minecraft, and even though I won't, then just confirm. So now MC should be a pink block inside of your block palette. So basically you could just put any HTML or existing mod under the block and you can create your own custom features and blocks. And now create UI, you're back here, and we have our own text editing menu. And guys, I literally have basically no coding experience. Let's just say I have no coding experience. Like maybe I'm somebody that really wants to make Discord mods but has no coding experience. That is literally how you do it, guys. That is how you have how you can make your own mod menus with basically zero coding experience really easily. This is really good to use. They really suggest this. I worked really hard on the Discord mod menu, the Discord modder studio. And I'm going to teach you how to save it, and I'm going to teach you how to automatically run scripts. So upon pasting it into Disx, if you guys want it to run a script instead of pressing a button or making UI, if you want it to run a script automatically when executed, then you're just gonna go to coding up here, and basically all you do is you just put whatever blocks you want to in there, like just click them. And then, scroll to chat top. I can make that chat top, and I can make that do whatever I want to. But I'm going to keep my text edit menu right here. So you're going to go save and export script, and then confirm. And now basically what you guys do is you confirmed that what you guys can either do, so you can do one of two things. First thing, you can go back into the console, so Control-Shift-I, and open your console again, and then Control-V, and then enter. So you can either do that or open back up Disx executor and put it in there. So basically you guys see on and off right here. I literally just made that. You guys just watch me make this mod menu with zero coding experience. Let's just say I have zero coding experience. You guys just watch me make that mod menu, and I have zero coding experience, by the way. So on and off. So let's see if it works. I click the on button, and now I can literally edit text, guys. Look at that. I can literally just edit messages, whoever's messages I want to. And then off literally turns it off. Now I can't edit anybody's messages anymore. So that is literally how you can create your own mods, have a working mod menu, working executor in Discord in 2026. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I worked really hard on this. Hope this guys helped you out a lot, and make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.